lush green mountains, backwater rivers, sandy beaches, mouth-watering sambar and rasam. What do you recollect from all these words? Yes, Kerala, God's own country. Good morning, Toastmaster, fellow Toastmaster, and my dear guest. During Diwali vacation, we visited Kerala, and I would like to share with you glimpses of Kerala, which I will cherish throughout my life. We planned this vacation after a long time. Everyone was excited for this. My daughters were excited for a flight journey. They didn't sleep for the whole night. In fact, they woke me up at 2 a.m. for early morning flight. We started our journey from Mumbai airport to Kochi. Munnar was our first destination to visit. Munnar was 3 hours journey by road from Kochi airport. Everyone was feeling sleepy, drowsy, but Munnar's scenic beauty rejuvenated all of us. Excuse me, actually, this presentation was afterwards.
Okay. Just click white.
Just
Or
right.
black.
Sorry.
B.
So Munnar's scenic beauty rejuvenated all of us. On the way to Munnar, we had authentic Kerala food. After having a lunch, we started our journey to Munnar and reached to Riverside Resort, which was surrounded by lush green mountains, mesmerizing greenery, captivated tea plantation. You can imagine to have pleasure of a sip of hot tea sitting in the lawn surrounded by these mountains. Muttapati Dam, Eco Points were some of the gorgeous places to visit in Munnar. But kids enjoyed elephant ride the most. Sitting on such a huge animal itself was thoroughly exciting experience. After staying in Munnar for 2 days, we started our journey to Thekkady. On the way to Thekkady, we dropped into Ervikulam National Park. After climbing mountain peak from clouds, we saw that people are taking photographs of goat. We surprised to see that, but then realized that it's not a goat, but Nilgiri Tahar, one of the rare species of wild goat. The entire mountain was declared as wildlife sanctuary for prevention of extinction of these goats. From Ervikulam National Park, we continued our journey to Thekkady. Thekkady is also famous for wildlife, jeep safari and nature trail. We reached to Cardamom Resort, Caramellia Resort, which is a cardamom property. In Thekkady, we started our journey by jeep safari up to the peak of the mountain, and that was an overwhelming experience. Now our tour was halfway through, and we have to visit the Venice of East, that is nothing but overnight stay in backwaters, that is Alpuza. Alpuza means life in slow motion. We saw coconut trees standing tall on the bank of the river, experienced backwater currents, had fresh seafood and whatnot. So all Toastmaster, if you are planning to visit Kerala, then never ever miss the overnight houseboat stay. From Alpuza, now it's time to go to Kovalam Beach, one of the best places where kids enjoy the most, playing hours together in sand. Fathomless Arabian Sea on one side and coconut trees on the other side was exciting experience. After playing a lot in sand, everyone was tired, and our tiredness vanished in few moments after having a sip of tender coconut. Now it's time to go back to Mumbai with lots of memories from Kerala. Do you know, Kerala is also rich in cultural heritage in terms of music, art, dance forms like Kathakali and Mohiniyattam, Ayurveda, and its culture is preserved by people, various communities of Kerala. India's unity in diversity can be seen throughout Kerala. By this time, you must be thinking I am from Kerala Tourism Board promoting for Kerala tourism. But from my speech, I would like to pass on the message to all of you that take out some time from your day-to-day life and enjoy vacation, plan for your vacation, preferably closer to the nature, and Kerala is the best place to visit. Let's see some of the breathtaking moments of Kerala. Thank you.